Now we need to add sound to the explosion animation. To do that, click the Sounds tab, and this displays the sound effects editor. Hover over the Choose a Sound button and select Record. Click the Record button and make your explosion noise. Click the Stop Recording button, click Save, and lastly, change the name of the sound to Explosion. Now use the sound editing tools to trim the sound. The thicker the graph is, the louder the sound. So click where the sound starts to get loud and drag the mouse back to the beginning. That highlights that section of the graph in purple. Then click the delete icon to remove the highlighted section from the recording, and do the same at the end of the graph. Now add a thread to play the explosion sound when the spaceship sprite receives the explode message. And modify the thread that stops all sounds to also check that isExplodeSent equals no. Now press the flag button to try it. And congratulations, the Lunar Lander game is done. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.